Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using the other three colors that are part of the Red Carpet Affair collection. Now this is Heidi's Masquerade collection colors. There's two different collections. Now the first color here is called A New Year is a Glittering Light, and it's a really fun glitter. It has chunky silver pieces in, it has these beautiful rose gold hearts, and then it has these really fun confetti silver pieces in there. And I really like the rose gold in the silver combination, and the stars are really awesome for the New Year's. And then the next color here is called Be a Soul Full of Sunshine, and this is a rose gold chunky glitter, and it has some silver in there, and then it has a copper undertone, and it's super pretty, and I really like how it has like the best of both worlds with that silver and copper and gold in there. And then it pairs perfectly with Change the World, Be Kind, and I love this color. It is a great staple color. It is a light pink shimmer, and it has like white shimmer in there, and it's really pretty. Paired perfectly with these three colors, it is giving me all those rose gold vibes. So we are going to be creating a press-on mani today. I am going to be using the short coffin tips, and we are going to be doing the gel method. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun, but yet elegant. I really like the stars tied in with the confetti pieces, and the stars and the confetti pieces lay super flat to the nail and are really easy to work with, and I really like how organically those stars laid on the nail as well. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.